What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I got a quick DIY for you guys, and it's how to make those muscle tees. Now you've probably seen them all over Instagram, TikTok, wherever. I myself wear them a lot and I'm a big fan of them. I'm actually coming out with my own for my brand pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you how to take that old big shirt that you have and bring it back to life. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put the shirt on, the one that you're gonna wanna crop. And I really like the shirt, but I just want the fit to be a little bit boxier. And I wanna chop off the sleeves just so it has that nice boxy muscle tee look. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is figure out the length that you want it. So I have this measuring tape here with me. I'm gonna measure from the graphic down and around 3.5 to 4 inches. I'm gonna cut it there. Next thing you're gonna wanna look at is the shoulder seam. So if the shoulder seam is over your shoulder here, it's like kind of like oversized, you can just cut around the whole shoulder seam. As you can see, this is the shoulder seam. If you don't know what I mean, just where the sleeve and the body of the shirt connect. So if it's oversized, like I said, just go ahead and cut around that. If not, you're gonna wanna leave around 2 inches over the shoulder. So let's say your shoulder seam ends here, just put around 2 inches and it's gonna give you that nice boxy look. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is line up the bottom of the shirt together. So you just line it up like this. And then you're gonna need some scissors or a rotary cutter. I'm gonna be using the rotary cutter for this part over here, and then the scissors for the arms here. So you're gonna need those two. You're also gonna need something to draw a line with. I'm gonna be using Taylor's chalk. Just make sure if you're using something like a Sharpie and your shirt is white, just bring it inside out just so you don't stain the shirt. So just put it inside out and repeat the same process as me. Just make sure you don't stain the shirt with your Sharpie. Last thing you're gonna be using is a ruler or maybe something like measuring tape. It doesn't really matter. So first thing I'm gonna do here is measure from the bottom of my graphic, like I said. And I'm gonna do maybe 5 inches just to be sure. So I'm gonna trace a line here. Then you're gonna wanna measure from the bottom here, and that's around 5 inches. So I'm gonna do 5 inches on this side, a line there, and 5 inches on this side, and I'm gonna trace a line there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my ruler, trace that line all the way through the shirt. Doesn't really have to be perfect. As you can see, this one didn't really match up, but it doesn't really matter because these two are even here. And then I'm gonna get my rotary cutter and then just cut around that. And then the chalk doesn't really matter because it comes off. It's like a dust and it's made for that. But like I said, if you have a Sharpie or anything like that, just make sure that you put it inside out just so you don't stain the shirt, because this would easily come off like that, but not the Sharpie. And then we're gonna move on to the arms. So like I said, if you have a nice oversized shirt, this seam is gonna go over your shoulder. If not, just add around 2 inches just so it gives you that nice boxy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut around this seam over here. So I'm just gonna start from down here, separate it, make like a little cut just so I can put my scissors through, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut around the whole seam. I don't want to cut it double because I've done that before and then the back doesn't match up, like it doesn't look good. But you could do that if you line up the seams really well. You can just go ahead and cut it. I just rather just do it slowly just so you get the best results, but it's really up to you. So that's how that looks on this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on this side. Make a little slit just so I can fit my scissors through it, and then just go ahead and cut around the whole thing. It's just a very easy DIY, simple steps, nothing crazy. And I've been using this a lot for summer because it's really hot. But you can also do this for the gym or just a casual day out. Maybe throw some jorts on like I'm wearing right now, and I think it just looks great. And it's a break from the whole t-shirt thing or tank top. It's like something in between the two of them, and I just really like the style and the way that it fits on your body. So definitely recommend you do one of these. Here's how it looks. So now you can always add some holes to it. I'm gonna just go ahead and make a couple slits here, maybe a tiny little bit. 1, 2, and 3. Just gonna move that around, and that looks like that. And it's just a simple detail to it. I don't want to add a lot of holes to it yet. Maybe in the future add some more holes. But yeah, this is how it looks. So let's just try it on and see what we think of it. And this is the final results. This is how it looks on body. Very nice fit, in my opinion. I really like it. You can always give it a longer bottom and longer arms as well. I just like this cropped fit for summer. Very nice, simple, easy DIY. No sewing machine needed, so you can definitely do this with a pair of scissors at your house while you're bored. So definitely give it a try and let me know what you guys think. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video really helped you. If you really enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.